So you want your kids to eat vegetables, but they don't like them. So what do? You cook vegetables and you hide them under a roti or some rice or in a dosa, and you feed them. So the first time they probably eat it, the second time they make a face and eat it, the third time they will spit it out if they don't like it, and the fourth time they are very angry and they will stop trusting you. So this is exactly what happened with my son. So he hates potatoes for some weird reason when the whole world loves it. But I tried to put it inside a chapati or under the rice and give him little bites, but he would just spit it out, sensing the taste or the smell. They are so sharp at identifying what they don't like to eat, and he would be so angry with me or so upset and express his feelings that I don't like potatoes, I hate potatoes. So I stopped doing that. So this is just an example. The last thing that you want your child to do is think that their mom or dad lies to them, or have a mistrust in the relationship with a parent, right? I think we should all stop doing it. And of course, your emotional relationship, your bonding with them is far, far better than making them eat a few pieces of carrot or capsicum or gobi. They will eventually eat it someday, but your relationship with them is far, far more important. So let's not lie about it. So first thing, just because they don't like it today or they don't like it after a week, that doesn't mean they will not like it after a month. Okay, so it's all about exposure, right? So you will have to try and feed them all different vegetables, expose them to their natural forms. This is how it looks, this is how it tastes, this is how it feels when you bite. It is sour, or it is sweet, or it is crunchy, etc. They need to see it many times, get exposed to many times before feeling comfortable and accept into their bodies. So gravies, salads are the best way to expose them in the normal form. So even if they don't eat it, let them try, let them see you eating them in your plate. Maybe they'll pick up 1 or 2 bites from your plate. That's it. It's a big win for the beginning, and it's just about repeating so that they get comfortable seeing it and they will eventually eat it. And what if they still don't eat and you want to feed them vegetables in some form? So in our Indian recipes, khichdi, vegetable soups, putting them in little idlis or a vegetable dosa, or in pav bhaji, or in sambar, etc. You add vegetables, make them probably sit with you and see you chop these vegetables, and you are upfront, you're not lying, you are showing them that these are the vegetables that are going into the food, so that they understand that you're not lying, and then they eventually feel, oh, it doesn't taste so bad, or they get accustomed to eating it, their bodies are adapting to eating it, so they're completely comfortable. So the key is to be upfront about it and tell them you're adding it, and let them try if they want to, right? Eventually they will try.